Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook sirloin steak in the air fryer. You will love how amazing this sirloin steak is, and depending on the size of the air fryer you own, you can cook up to 3 pieces of sirloin at once. Before we dive into this recipe, please note all recipes featured can be found on RecipeThis.com. We specialise in a worldwide readership and recipes are in both metric and imperial. We cook exclusively with kitchen gadgets. You'll find 1,000+ recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many more over at Recipe This. And these are the sirloin steaks that we'll be featuring for our steak week. These are absolutely beautiful and they're from a butcher's that we really like here in Yorkshire, and they do beautiful sirloin steaks. I mean, look at that. Isn't that steak amazing? And it'll just fit in our Philips Air Fryer XL. If you've got a smaller air fryer, you might want to adjust sizes, or of course you can go diagonal if you've just got one steak in there. And look, they're perfect to fit in our Philips Air Fryer XL. Next on the agenda is to add some seasonings onto your steaks. I like to add some salt first, because doesn't it make steak amazing? If you haven't got lots of seasonings in, just stick with salt and you'll be fine. And then of course, add in some pepper as well. And then what I've also got that I've just found in my pantry is some American barbecue seasoning. So I'm just adding a small amount of that. And then these air fry sirloin steaks are ready to be cooked. For our air fryer sirloin steaks, we recommend a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit. And then the ones on our blog, we did them for just 5 minutes on each side. But note, they were thinner than these ones because they were Portuguese sirloin steaks. And we're cooking 2 big ones here rather than 3 small ones. And I'm going to take that up to 8 minutes on each side instead. And then press play. Oh, we've done one side, so let's turn over the steak. And I mean, wow, they look lovely already, and I can smell them in our kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm sure the dog's nose is sniffing, thinking that I want some of those too. Don't forget about me. And then just like on the first side, add some salt. Add a bit of pepper. And of course, you can also add a seasoning of choice. So there's more of the barbecue seasoning we have in our pantry. And now it's ready for the same again on the other side. And we beat. Wow, that is our air fryer steak. Now, doesn't that look absolutely amazing? That is how to cook sirloin steak in the air fryer. Now, let's get it out, shall we? And then it's just perfect for serving. And I'm ready to tuck in. Obviously, because the steak's been sat around for a couple of minutes, a while, we've moved away from the air fry basket. It's gone to more of a well done than a medium. But remember, you can adjust the times for however you like your steak. So let's try it and see if this sirloin steak lives up to its air fry reputation. It's so nice. So juicy as well. And you know, if you've never cooked steak in the air fryer before, I thoroughly recommend that you start with some sirloin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more great videos, check out 1,000+ free kitchen gadget recipes at RecipeThis.com, join the weekly newsletter at Recipe This too, or let's get to know each other. Comment below with where you are from and which kitchen gadget you own.